Alright, so now that they have gotten the graphics installed, really a lot of that card. The ancient piece of crap from 1998. It doesn't stay on very well because it's ancient piece of crap. But now, what do you guys think is next? Let's take a look. Okay? No, stay there. Stay there. Big box.
There's a big box that we all see.
Look at the inside of that. We have some wires, CD disc, and some vents, you know, to keep it cool.
What do you think the next step is?
To put this in there and plug everything in. Yes.
Yes. Okay, somebody please take the motherboard.
Really, what's right? Get on my seat.
Okay. Zach, stop. Alright, so actually first, there's one more thing.
I haven't done
Does
anything.
anybody know what this is?
A battery.
Battery. Yes.
Ah!
I said it
This
first.
is a little bit of a extra power voltage.
Where do you think it goes?
Wait.
It's by this, kind of.
Wait. In here.
Yes.
Don't like you, Matthew.
Okay. So,
I don't like you.
now what you do is your case will usually come with included standoffs for your motherboard. As you can see, this
Hold that.
piece.
Zach, hold that. Zach, hold that. Thank you, cameraman. Thank you, Cameron. Good job, cameraman Cameron.
Alright, so as you can see, ours does, but I really don't care about it, so do it.